Wheezing. Wheezing is high-pitched whistling sound when you breathe. Many people with respiratory allergies know that wheezing comes often with hay fever. It may also happen because of respiratory infections like acute bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease that is also called as COPD, and asthma. Now with Respoimmune, you can relieve the symptoms in a faster and easier way.
Follow all instructions shown carefully.
Handkerchief.
Shake Respoimmune well and spray a couple of times on handkerchief and deep inhale up to 2 minutes. You can repeat this up to 3 to 4 times a day.
Spray Respoimmune below the shoulder joint. You can locate this point easily by holding 4 fingers from the crease of your shoulder joint diagonally. The place where your pointer finger touches is the exact location. This is one of the energy center of lungs. By spraying at these points, a lot of energy correction happens and helps the lungs to review and remove infection faster. Nebulizer. Take a nebulizer. Fill the tank of nebulizer with 5 ml vial of distilled water. Shake Respoimmune well and spray it in tank for 15 times. Close the lid. Switch on the nebulizer, put the mask which comes with nebulizer. You will see the liquid coming out in form of fine mist. Start breathing deeply and take the mist into your lungs. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes for the liquid to finish completely. And the process is completed. Do not forget to wash your face once you finish the process. Repeat nebulization 2 times a day in a gap of 12 hours for first 3 days. And do nebulization 1 time a day for next 3 days. Also make a note, do not use any other inhalers soon after nebulization. Give a gap of 3 to 4 hours in between them.
Stay safe, stay healthy.